Brandon and I here. We're a little cold, so we're gonna sit in the blind and freeze some more. So we had to get warm. We gotta show you guys this blind. We're struggling today.
Yeah, the wind was brutal.
This is gonna be tough though. This next sit's gonna be tough.
Yeah, I don't know if I can handle it.
So we're going in the ground blind. Oh, the TV and heat's on, Brandon.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. We got the heat and TV on. Look at that. Oh, I think we're gonna need a little power, so probably should clean that off. Good luck, everyone, today. I hope you get them. Hey, Brandon.
Yeah?
You know tip number 2 for the day?
What's that?
When you're hunting with 3 of your buddies, you make sure you empty their guns so you get the deer.
I had to turn off my socks. They were starting to get a little too warm.
What's your technique on that? When you use your legs, does that help the sound?
Yeah, it's like
You kind of prance just like a doe? You ever hear the old Indian term, he who waits for big buck and blizzard catches snowflakes? What kind of vehicle are we in, Brandon?
the best vehicle in America, Toyota.
It's got toy in the name, correct?
Exactly, because you have fun with it.
And it also sounds like pots and pans going down the staircase. Ding, toing, ching, time. We're in trouble. We might need someone to come help us. He's nervous.
Good thing I'm not driving a Chevy.
Oh.